Hi everyone, hello. I am already 30 minutes late. Hello, hi Anupama, hi. Happy Diwali to you too in advance. Hope you guys are doing well and enjoying your festivities. ऑर्डर करने के लिए आपको लेना है स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स जो मैं आपको आज दिखाऊंगी एंड करना है व्हाट्सएप ऑन द नंबर दैट इज गिवन डाउन ऑन योर स्क्रीन. Hi Monica, hi, how are you? Hi Supriya, hi Sita. A lot of you have already joined in. You guys know last live was a super duper hit. बहुत ही amazing response आई from the last live. We like shipped out approx 200 orders in a single day from our last live session, and many of you have already received the products and you guys have shared lovely feedbacks about it. ऑरेंज में और सूट्स नहीं है, बहुत मुश्किल से एक ही अरेंज कर पाई हूँ मैं, सो आई थॉट ऑफ वेयरिंग इट एंड शोइंग इट टू यू. वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम? 3XL एंड अ गुड न्यूज़, येस द वन दैट आई एम वेयरिंग उसमें 3XL भी है. Do you have code set? Yes, a lot of code set. So before we start, we have the offer for today is that on like if you are shopping for 15,000 की shopping पे आपको मिलेगा flat 10% off. But it's only on orders above 15,000 and for all those जो कि 7,500 से above shopping कर रहे, you can get a suit worth 2500 absolutely free. How many of you actually want to see the free suit so that you guys can know the quality and everything? बहुत लोगों ने ऑलरेडी शॉपिंग किया. यू फ्रॉम इंडिया? येस डेफिनेटली फ्रॉम इंडिया. यू ऑरेंज सूट प्राइस द वन दैट आई एम वेयरिंग. एक ऑरेंज सूट ऐसे दे देना टू शो द नेकलाइन. ऑरेंज सूट द वन दैट आई एम वेयरिंग ये ग्लास टिश्यू में है, इन अ प्रीमियम ग्लास टिश्यू. You can see the shimmer look, the shimmer shine along with the amazing handwork over the neck. Let me show you the detailing of this piece. I don't have it open with me, but आप देख ही सकते हो. I'm already wearing it. Yes, all of our products are stitched and ready to wear in different sizes. Look at the neckline. इसका neckline कितना सुंदर है. Full handwork. Sizes इसमें है medium to 3XL. Yes, the sizes available are medium to 3XL and the price is just 2400 only. Just for 2400. Sizes till 3XL guys. I think this clip is actually pulling it up. I hope you guys are able to see the full look. It's in a very pretty bright orange color. Glass tissue is the fabric. Do you ship to Australia? Yes, we do. So guys, I hope you guys are clear about the offer that अगर आप 15,000 की shopping करते हो, you're getting flat 10% off on the total billing. And अगर आप 7,500 से above की shopping करते हो, you get a suit worth 2500 free. Are you shipping to Germany? Yes, we are. Even I think कल एक Germany के लिए we are sending out a packet of 30 kgs for a client. Will you restock? We definitely try to restock, but अभी restock नहीं होगा. So let's move on to showing you कुछ ऐसे articles है जो कि आपको बहुत flash rate पे मिलेगा, like a very amazing price, very limited stock. I bought the red suit from you for Karwa Chauth. No one believed when I disclose its price. Amazing suit. Is it so? I mean, thank you so much for the lovely feedback. I think have you taken this? वो सूट आज रीस्टॉक करवाया द उसमें मजेंटा कलर. कहाँ है उसका मजेंटा कलर? वी नेक वाला जिसके साथ अफगान पैंट था. Hi, contrast dupatta, a lot of other options. Stay tuned. I'm already 30 minutes late. बहुत लोग पहले से wait कर रहे थे. I was actually not keeping well. But then I thought late, but still I have to come because I've told you guys. So guys, this piece is finally Reese, please open your hairs. I cannot actually. I'm not keeping well, so I just tied it. My friend ordered one chicken curry. Chicken curry takes time, at least of 10 to 15 business days. उसमें time लगता है बनने के लिए. So let's move on to the first article. जो हमारा best seller है, just restocked today. We have just restocked it today. We have 15 pieces only. So if you have not grabbed it, get it now. Because बहुत amazing response आया हमें इसका. Look at the fine detailing, the neck work. And if you see, द बॉटम पे भी बहुत अमेजिंग हैंडवर्क है. इसका हमने रेड लॉन्च किया था. रेड इज ऑलरेडी आउट ऑफ स्टॉक. दिस वन इज करेंटली एट अ प्राइस ऑफ 2699. अगर आप दिल्ली एनसीआर में हो, इफ यू आर लोकेटेड इन दिल्ली एनसीआर, you can get the delivery same day as well via Porter, VFast. You ordered the suit, you got the wrong product, you sent us back, we sent you back in red color, I think, Garima, and the issue is already sorted. Red is not going to be back again anytime soon. This is in magenta color. Red वापस नहीं आएगा. We just have magenta. उसमें भी 15 pieces है. You guys know ये हमारा super duper hot selling article रह चुका है. बहुत ही मुश्किल से we are arranging them. And if you are located in Delhi NCR, same day आप delivery करवा सकते हो. You have to book a porter or we can do that. Charges as per location, that is definitely extra. And अगर आप इंडिया में कहीं और भी लोकेटेड हो, एक्सप्रेस डिलीवरी ऑप्शन अवेलेबल है, बट नो गारंटी कि आपको दिवाली से पहले मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा. बट आफ्टर दिवाली भी बहुत सारी फेस्टिविटीज़ है, लाइक भाई दूज है, एंड देन वी हैव छठ एंड बहुत सारे अदर ओकेजन्स हैं, सो यू कैन गेट इट फॉर देम. बट वी विल नॉट अश्योर यू अर्जेंट डिलीवरी. यू कैन सी दिस इज इन प्रीमियम डोला. प्रीमियम डोला में है ये फुल सूट. And the best part is the dupatta. The dupatta is in pure dola again. Very stunning. Priced at 2699. Yes, definitely will make 2999. 2699. Sizes medium to double XL है. सारे sizes available in this with amazing bottom and dupatta. Also इसी pattern में we had a different print. बहुत ही सुंदर color. And इसके नीचे है अफगान pants. You can see the bottom. Please show suits in purple color. I will show it to you. Ready to ship है if you are located somewhere in north region, north as in Delhi side हो, यूपी side हो, तो आपको 2-3 दिन में डिलीवरी मिल जाएगी. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट मिल सकता है बिकॉज सबको टाइमली मिल रहा है, बट वी कैनॉट लाइक अश्योर यू 100% बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा लोड है. लुक एट दिस, अ वेरी डिफरेंट कलर. बहुत ही डिफरेंट कलर का है. The biggest size in this is till 44 with an amazing dupatta. We just have last 2 pieces. इसमें 2 ही पीस बचे हैं. An amazing suit with detailed fine handwork and डोला सिल्क की रहेगा. बॉटम पे वर्क है. Let me show you the sleeves. इसका sleeves is so gorgeous. You can see the sleeves. Very different handwork on the sleeves. Sizes इसमें medium to double XL है. 2 या 3 pieces are left. Price is 2699 only. It's an amazing pure dola fabric. उसी fabric में जो इससे पहले वाला सूट मैंने आपको दिखाया. Offline no, we don't have come and visit options. Walk-ins नहीं है हमारे पास. And some of our hottest sellers जो बैक टू बैक रीस्टॉक हो रहे हैं. एंड ये अब रीस्टॉक नहीं होगा, ये हमने कल लॉन्च किया था, कल ही ख़त्म हो गया, वापस से रीस्टॉक हुआ है. शिपिंग टाइम इज 3 to 5 days. एंड गाइज द डिलीवरी चार्जेस आर ऑलवेज एक्स्ट्रा फॉर द लाइव सेशन. बहुत लोग आके आर्ग्यू करते हैं, बट देयर इज नो पॉइंट आर्ग्यूइंग बिकॉज समटाइम्स आई डू नॉट मेंशन इन द लाइव सेशन, बट वो हमेशा एक्स्ट्रा रहता है. यू कैन सी आवर बेस्ट सेलर magenta was for 2699. Look at the color and the handwork and इतने affordable price में ये. It's in reddish maroon color. बहुत soft सा अच्छा कलर है. Along with this दुपट्टा, ऑर्गेन्जा का दुपट्टा है. वेबसाइट से भी आप डायरेक्टली बाय कर सकते हो. दिस इज ऑन वेबसाइट. साइज टिल डबल एक्सएल है. वी हैव वेरी वेरी लिमिटेड पीसेस. 4 प्रिंट्स आए इसमें. दिस इज द स्लीव्स. यू कैन सी द स्लीव्स. स्लीव्स पे भी वर्क है. स्ट्रेट कट बॉटम है. बहुत सुंदर पीस है. प्राइस इज 2300 ओनली. 4 कलर्स है गाइस. चारों वेबसाइट पे हैं. All the 4 colors I mostly order from your live. Yes, Deeksha, I know that. This amazing pastel green pista suit Look at the handwork. The handwork is so pretty. You can see the amazing sleeves. Yes, because on website the prices are inclusive of shipping. एंड ये वाला पीस वेबसाइट से लोगे तो भी 2300 का है. अगर वेबसाइट पे जो प्राइस फिक्स है उसका उतना ही लगेगा, नो फर्दर शिपिंग चार्जेस. अपार्ट फ्रॉम देम द पीसेस जो वेबसाइट पे नहीं है उसके चार्जेस एक्स्ट्रा. यू कैन सी हाउ अमेजिंग द दुपट्टा इज. स्लीव्स पे भी फुल वर्क है. स्ट्रेट कट बॉटम में ऑल हैंडवर्क सूट. इट्स अ फुल हैंडवर्क रोमन सिल्क सूट. कॉटन की लाइनिंग है अंदर एंड द प्राइस रिमेन्स द सेम, दैट इज 2300. We have 2 more colors and very limited pieces for them as well. ये purple color है, इसमें भी कुछ ही pieces हैं हमारे पास. And then we have this amazing mauve color. This is also up on website. If you go and check out on the website, it's there. ये purple है, you can see the purple one with amazing dupatta. The dupattas are all in floral look, pastel color में है. This one has a dark color organza dupatta. So I've shown you all the 4 different colors. We have this amazing piece. Shifli, I thought of actually wearing this. This one looks so nice for the festive season. Very amazing handwork you can see, and it has this amazing embroidery all over, fixed with cotton lining. Yes, इसमें cotton lining है. And this is a straight cut, fully embroidered suit. Look at this, what a stunning piece. And we just have very limited pieces. इसका बहुत ही limited pieces है. You can see even at the edges of the dupatta full mirrors लगे हुए हैं. How pretty this is. It's a straight cut suit. Sizes still XXL हैं. Even if you see bottom पे भी work है, the bottom has a work as well. And georgette का दुपट्टा है इसके साथ. It's a very amazing piece and priced at just 2350 only. Just for 2350 you're getting an amazing fully embroidered suit. Look at this if you're able to see or not. And color इसका green है, it's not yellow. Yellow नहीं है, green color है. 3-piece set है, priced at 2350 only. Then we have this amazing Dola silk suit which was our best seller. Hanji original mirror है. Look at the neckline, very stunning premium Dola silk with handwork. इसका हमने बहुत पहले purple launch किया था 4-5 months back, and now we are launching the maroon. Purple stock में नहीं है. You can see the dupatta, it's in all silk, बनारसी silk का दुपट्टा है. Priced at 2400 only. Size medium to 3XL. Yes, 3XL भी है guys. Straight cut bottom. This is the sleeves. Fabric is Dola silk. And so many requests to show you guys this kaftan. Again, a lot of requests on WhatsApp. You can see it's in premium crepe fabric में है with gota and original mirror work. You can see both the edges maybe. बॉटम के साथ है, it has this bottom, straight cut bottom है, not tulip pants. Priced at 2699 since it's in pure crepe fabric. Just have a look at this piece, so stunning, full of festive vibes. Also this Russian silk suit was a best seller. Look at the neckline guys, very stunning neckline. Russian silk में है self work के साथ. I'm not sure if you're able to see it. Along with Russian silk का दुपट्टा, it's all pure Russian silk. Please kindly WhatsApp. I'll just ask the team to check and revert back to you regarding your tracking. This is the sleeves. You can see sleeves are also very different in this. Orange kaftan ka price was 2699. We have this amazing piece, Russian silk with handwork. इसमें 2 different colors है. We have 2 different colors. I hope you're able to see their work now. Red पे भी वैसा work है, but because of the brightness you're not able to see. Priced at 2400. An amazing Russian silk jacquard ka suit. Look at this, how stunning. Self work neckline भी बहुत different है इसका. Along with this tassels on the sleeve. सब में cotton की lining है with this amazing दुपट्टा. Bottom is straight cut, same fabric में है. This is the दुपट्टा, very different kind of a lime yellow color है. Priced at just 2400. Sizes इसमें 3XL भी है. Medium to double XL है ही. Let's see if we have 3XL as well. Till double XL. Okay, we don't have 3XL. Double XL तक ही है. Let's move on to the next piece. Excuse me. Excuse me. You can see this amazing Russian silk suit. It's a straight cut suit. In Delhi NCR same day भी delivery हो सकता है. Charges you have to pay whatever it is via portal. आज भी हो सकता है, कल भी हो सकता है. You can see the handwork. And guys, this is at a sale price of 1999 only for today. Just for 1999, it's like a deal of the day, you can say. Deal of the day है, दो different colors में है. One is this green, dark green color. And ये इसका red है. You can see the Russian silk fabric है jacquard detailing के साथ. Sizes small to double XL है. Only for today, it's priced at 1999 only. The fabric is Russian silk jacquard detailing के साथ, along with bottom and chiffon का दुपट्टा. Orange kaftan again. Okay. You can see the orange kaftan again. It's an amazing pure crepe fabric में है. Priced at 2699 only. I don't know if you have got this piece or not, but you have to get it. A very different article it is. It's priced at 2599. Premium short anarkali with dhoti and dupatta. Dupatta is very pretty. Again, you can see the dupatta handwork के साथ ombre effect है. You can also see me wearing it on our feet. Priced at 2599 only. वहाँ से वो वाले दे दो कुछ. Normal delivery time is of 3 to 5 business days, but it's festive time, so. Hi Astha, hi. How are you? Where have you been? Also, our best seller is restocked today, but सिर्फ कुछ ही pieces हैं. Size that we have is large, XL, double XL. Premium butter crepe में है. Super soft fabric. Super soft fabric. You can see the neckline. Sizes large to double XL. Straight cut में. This color is so much in trend. You guys know that butter crepe is one of the most trending fabric of the season. Also, our hottest seller, which is getting restocked every other day since last 3 days. Look at the neckline. And the best part is, इसमें जो figure बना हुआ है, along with the dupatta, even the dupatta has this amazing girl का figure. Fabric shimmer tissue में, I hope you're able to see the shine. With bottom and amazing dupatta, digital print में है. Sizes small to double XL है. Very different color. Yes, I will save the live and upload it on YouTube. You can go and check out there. This amazing piece Karachi suit at the price of 2400 only. Straight cut में है. Fabric is muslin with amazing handwork. Look at the dupatta. Very stunning dupatta. It's a 3-piece set. It's kind of a magenta color में है with in muslin fabric. Huh? 2400. One more in Dola silk, our hottest seller. Does this have work? Yes, it has this mirror detailing all over. Look at this Dola silk suit. Our Dola silks are very much in trend. They give you a very different and elegant look with this amazing bandhej ka pure Dola ka dupatta. You guys know pure Dola silk. If you go and ask in market, 3,500 से नीचे आपको कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा. Will it get delivered before Diwali? I'm not sure. I cannot give you guarantee. बहुत लोगों को मिल भी जा रहा है, बहुत लोगों को नहीं मिल रहा है. So I'm not going to give you the guarantee that आपको 100% मिलेगा. But if you are located in Delhi NCR तो definitely आपको मिल जाएगा. गाजियाबाद में हो, नोएडा में हो तो भी आपको आराम से मिल जाएगा. Look at this. The handwork with amazing बंदेज का दुपट्टा. Premium डोला सिल्क में है, hence the price is of 2499. Looks very subtle. You can get it for your mom. Like the wedding season is here, so हल्दी के लिए, मेहंदी के लिए is going to look very very elegant. महिमा ठाकुर, hello. Again an amazing डोला सिल्क सूट with handwork. Color is red. डोला सिल्क का प्योर दुपट्टा है. Priced at 2400. Sizes medium to 3XL. Yes, 3XL भी है इसमें guys. A very amazing suit at the price of just 2400 only. You guys already know. Do you guys want to see the free suit that we are going to give along with orders above 7,500? Our best seller in Russian silk. This is in Russian silk. You can see the neckline, very stunning neckline with amazing dupatta. बनारसी में amazing दुपट्टा है. This is all zari work. ये इसका दुपट्टा है. Priced at just 2200. And guys, the best part is the tassels. You see राजा रानी का tassels है इसमें. Looks very elegant and is very budget friendly at the price of just 2200. Look, ये दो. क्या हुआ? Heavy suit I have shown you in the beginning as well, and our hot seller Sharara set in powder blue color. People have went crazy on this color and especially this design. इसमें हमने पहले purple launch किया, pink किया, both went out of stock the very same day. Last कुछ pieces ही बचे. इस color में भी powder blue बहुत ही elegant है. Short Sharara set है. आप you can see me wearing the purple one on feed. If you want to see नीचे parallel bottoms है. Tissue shimmer fabric में है. Priced at 2799. Lighter shades, yes, I do have. I'll show it to you. You can see with amazing dupatta and bottom. Priced at 2799. बहुत ही सुंदर piece है guys. The color is a statement color. Also, these are finally going to be out of stock super duper soon. हर लाइव का बेस्ट सेलर. जिसने भी नहीं लिया है, गो एंड गेट इट नाउ. इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी रीस्टॉक. लास्ट ईयर भी 800 प्लस पीसेस हमने सेल आउट किया था. बहुत मुश्किल से 1 साल बाद ये रीस्टॉक हुआ है, अभी 4-5 दिन पहले. यू कैन सी द वर्क. लाइक लाइम येलो कलर में है, नॉट दैट डार्क वाला येलो. बहुत सटल अमेजिंग कलर है. फुल्ली एम्ब्रॉयड्रीड है. पाकिस्तानी एम्ब्रॉयड्री, ऑथेंटिक पाकिस्तानी एम्ब्रॉयड्री. Single piece. It's kind of lime yellow color. Priced at 2399 only. Just for 2399 you're getting a handwork suit. Look at the work. So perfect. Size that we have is small to XXL. Bottom straight cut same color का है with amazing dupatta. You can see the dupatta. अंदर cotton की lining भी लगी हुई है. ये वाले दिखा दो कोट से. Also last few pieces of this particular Sharara set, peach red color में है. Kind of this is all sleeveless. If you see, sleeveless है, strappy suit है. Size large XL and XXL only, and it's on sale price guys. Large XL XXL priced at just 2300. Let me show you the Sharara as well. Sale price में you're getting 3-piece suit, frock style में है. Look at the dupatta, fully sequenced dupatta, sleeveless piece है. Price at just 2300. Size large XL and XXL. We have very limited pieces for this one, and also this particular piece is in pure organza. ये भी sale में है. Look at the neckline. This is the neckline, full pure organza. You can see with jacquard detailing, and नीचे भी यहाँ पे you will see this embroidery. Sizes till 46. Yes, we have it till 46. Small से लेकर 46, all the sizes are there. Zigzag pattern में है, a very different reddish blue color का है. Till 46, priced at 2300 only for today. Normally ये website पे आप देखोगे it's for 2600. You're getting flat 300 off today. Can you wear one blue dress? Which blue dress नहीं था? Also we have this amazing kaftans. I actually thought of wearing it today, but never mind, I can only wear one. So very amazing price, and we have it on sale for today. Priced at just $15.99. Kaftan with full tassel, natural cape fabric में है. We have two different colors. Straight cut पे bottom जाएगा इसका, and there's one more color. Both of them are really very pretty. Priced at just $15.99 only for today. Sizes small to XXL. Also this particular piece we have two different colors. Sizes में 2 या 3 ही बचे हैं. I think LXL XXL है ना. We have M to XXL हो जाएगा, and it's also on sale for today at the price of $18.99 only. Look at the neckline, full handwork along with potli. You can see the work. This is the sleeves, cord set with potli bag है. This is the potli, you can see for both. Let me show you the bottom of one of them. This is the bottom, straight cut में, very different elegant piece. Priced at $18.99 only for today. Yes, last 3 or 4 pieces were there, so we need to keep it at a price. Someone was asking for something in off-white color. A very pretty fully embroidered off-white color suit. Basically it's like in a beige color. This is the sleeves. Price are just 2300 guys. It's a straight fit Pakistani suit. Looks very very elegant. Sizes small to XXL. If you see इसके bottom में भी work है. Looks very elegant. These embroidery pieces are like evergreen. आप कभी भी कहीं भी पहन सकते हो, because the color is also very subtle and sober. Priced at just 2300 only. Straight cut 3-piece suit. Also this particular piece is on sale, size medium to XXL, priced at $1899 only guys. पहले 2300 का था, flat 500 off मिल रहा है आपको. Color very sober lilac color है. This is the दुपट्टा. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे this is all Pakistani designing along with sequence, and priced at $1899 only for today. Just 3 or 4 pieces are left. You can see bottom straight cut में है. Even the bottom has this pretty lace detailing. This is the actual color. If you see, yes, this is the actual color. Full kurte पे jacquard की detailing है. You can see sizes medium to XXL. Also this amazing Pakistani suits are on sale. प्रीमियम पाकिस्तानी प्योर कॉटन, मल कॉटन का सूट है. शॉर्ट पैटर्न में है. इफ़ यू सी इट हैज़ दिस अमेजिंग वर्क. यहाँ पे 2 डिफरेंट कलर है. बॉटम आप देखोगे थोड़ा सा शॉर्ट पैटर्न में है. बॉटम इज फुल लेंथ. साइजेस टिल मीडियम टू XXL. ऑल द साइजेस आर अवेलेबल. कोटा डोरिया का दुपट्टा है साथ में. इफ़ यू सी इट हैज़ दिस कोटा डोरिया का दुपट्टा. पेस्टल ग्रीन कलर है and very very pretty. If you want the model picture of this particular item, you can WhatsApp. ये sale पे है at the price of 2200 only. Last few pieces are there, so we are just clearing the stock for now, so that you guys can also get the benefit for it. Last few pieces of this leheria suit, priced at 2200 with amazing leheria dupatta. If you see, sleeves पे भी work है. I mean the leheria work is on both the edges. Fully embroidered piece है, straight cut है. This is not white, it's actually off-white color में है. Priced at just 2200. Sizes small to XXL. This sleeveless piece, just last few pieces are there, size medium to double XL. Sleeves अंदर दी हुई है, in case if you want to attach, I'll show you the piece. It's sleeveless but अंदर sleeves है, you can see the fine detailing. And this is a tulip straight cut bottom, very amazing piece. And for today it's at a sale price of $17.99 only, or only for $1800 you're getting a festive wear suit. Straight cut fully cotton leheria suit with cotton dupatta, sleeves inside. You know, this color is very much apt for the festive season. The one that I'm wearing is literally getting amazing response. So many days and so many days I was trying to procure something orange color में, but orange नहीं मिल रहा था. ये है अभी. Also this suit we have last few pieces, website पे भी है, priced at 2200. You can see very affordable color, I mean price, and very amazing color combination. Straight cut में है with this amazing neckline. Priced at just 2200. Size is still 3XL. We have it in medium to 3XL at an amazing price of 2200. दे दो पिंक वाला. We have this bright orange color, or not orange, red color, bright red color suit. This is the neckline with amazing dupatta. Look at the dupatta, guys. And this is the sleeves. What a perfect piece. Kind of a A-line slit में है, if you see. यहाँ पे भी full work है. Sizes medium to 3XL. Yes. We now have a lot of 3XL because a lot of you were requesting कि 3XL में कुछ pieces लाइए. You can see straight cut bottom है, थोड़ा सा A-line fit में है. I don't understand why are you so much concerned, Arshia? I don't know. We never told you that इनको सांप डस जाता. What kind of language you are using? Please educate yourself. आप मतलब बहुत uneducated हो. What I feel is, I'll just block you straight away. I mean, people these days are so much interested. I never told you guys that we have a shop. We don't have a shop. On every live मैं आके ये बोलती हूँ, we don't have a shop. We have our warehouse Noida में. But still, some people I like, they have to come here and just write anything. Our team takes time to respond, Pragya, because there's a lot of texts that we get every day. It's almost 1500 texts. So time तो definitely लगेगा for reverting back. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Love from India. It's in Roman silk muslin fabric. Very amazing suit. Priced at 2499. It's not after purchase. This is a very false statement that you're giving here. Whether it be before purchase, whether it be after purchase, the clients are treated very much same. I just report this comment. Yes, I don't know. They are just so much interested in our personal lives. But never mind. People should have that curiosity. Okay, last few pieces are there. Please, you can Pragya WhatsApp. I'll ask the team to check and send it to you. Your tracking ID, need not worry. It's an anarchy. People are so mean, but why? Yeah, even I don't know. I mean, they're so much interested in what we do, what not, and like just comment around. But never mind, they have so much of time to write all this and interfere in other people's life. Okay, so this Roman silk suit, priced at, look at the sleeves. Amazing. They are very responsible and respond. Yes, Balmuri Anusha, thank you so much. I totally agree. We might not respond sometime, but it never happens that before making a purchase we reply you very like frequently, or after the purchase we don't. There's no differentiation. Even if you're taking the product or not, the replies are definitely as and when the team sees it, they reply it. It's not like कि हम जानबूझ के आपको ignore करें. I mean, why would someone do that to their clients? How would they run their business if they are doing this? Okay, so price at 2300 only. Guys, the hot selling piece, you know, it's getting out of Look at this. 2399. You can see कल ही हमने इसे रीस्टॉक करवाया है. If you are able to see, we just have last few pieces left. एक ही रो बचा है. कलर नेवी ब्लू है, इसमें थोड़ा सा रॉयल ब्लू लुक आ रहा है, बट दिस इज एक्चुअली नेवी ब्लू. हमारा बेस्ट सेलर चीकू कलर एक दिन में सोल्ड हो गया था. वाइट भी एक दिन में सोल्ड हो गया था. वाइट हमने, जो कि ऑफ वाइट है, काइंड ऑफ आइवरी कलर है, वो रीस्टॉक हो चुका है. एंड यू कैन गो एंड प्लेस इट ऑन वेबसाइट, या फिर आप व्हाट्सएप भी कर सकते हो. ये भी रीस्टॉक हो चुका है. लास्ट फ्यू पीसेस ही हैं गाइज. अ वेरी अमेजिंग पीस, साइज स्मॉल टू XXL. Hey, I have purchased blue set and Chiku set. You were meant to dispatch day before yesterday. Then yesterday you asked show me deliver. Show me deliver. Now I'm not able to understand what you're writing. Can you please drop a text on WhatsApp so that the team can check if there is any issue with the order? Because I'm not able to get like about the porter thing. Okay, this glass tissue suit with amazing neck work, very amazing neckline. I'll just ask the team, don't worry, आप अपना नाम बता दो, क्या है आपका नाम. This is the neckline. You can see the shine on the fabric. दो different color है. This is it. एक पिस्ता ग्रीन है, एक मॉव है. साइजेस इसमें small to XXL सारे हैं. Priced at 2499 only. Look at the handwork, a very stunning handwork. ये वाले दिखाओ, ग्रीन वाले. ओके, आई शो यू सम पीसेस जो हमारे लास्ट लाइव का हॉटेस्ट सेलर था. आई वोर इट. ग्रीन आज ही 3-4 पीस रीस्टॉक हुआ है. स्ट्रेट कट में बॉटम है इसका. आई रियली वांट टू बाय न्यू सूट्स अगेन व्हेनेवर यू कम लाइव, बट टिल नाउ आई हैव परचेस्ड मेनी. माय मॉम विल, आई टोटली अंडरस्टैंड योर पॉइंट. 46 सिर्फ ऊपर वाले में, सबसे ऊपर रेड वाले में. गाइज आर हॉटेस्ट सेलर. 4 ही पीस हैं, सिर्फ 4 पीस है. साइज स्मॉल टू XXL. ये मैंने लास्ट लाइव में पिंक पहना था, वो भी खत्म होने वाला है. विस्कोस ऑर्गेन्जा है, सुपर डुपर सॉफ्ट. आई बॉट पिंक वन. ये सुभाषिनी, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सेलर दिस इज. एंड द फैब्रिक, आई कैन नॉट एक्चुअली डिस्क्राइब यू इसका फैब्रिक. जब आपको मिलेगा, आई डोंट नो आपको मिला है कि नहीं, व्हेन यू एक्चुअली गेट इट यू कैन फील how soft and lightweight it's to carry, and the amazing dupatta. For all those who don't like organza का वैसा, ये viscose में है. very very soft dupatta, not the hard one. Let me show you the pink color. दोनों साइड लगा के दो. Let me show you. Look at the dupatta guys. बहुत ही प्रीमियम सूट है at the price of just 2300 only. And this one, you can see this one. इसका दूसरा कलर है ये. दिस इज द सेकेंड कलर, पिंक कलर, मजेंटा कलर. साइजेस स्मॉल टू XXL है. इतना सुंदर पीस है फॉर ऑल दोज हु डोंट लाइक वेयरिंग टू मच ऑफ एम्ब्रॉयडरी. दिस इज ऑल हैंडवर्क एंड ट्रस्ट मी, इसका दुपट्टा भी बहुत सुंदर है. विस्कोस ऑर्गेन्जा में. प्राइस इज सेम. XXL इज 44. बोथ आर आर बेस्ट सेलर. द ग्रीन वन, द पिंक वन. एंड लास्ट लाइव आई वोर द पिंक वन, सो पिंक वाला तो एक ही दिन में ख़त्म हो गया था, बट टुडे वी हैव रीस्टॉक. इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ हॉट पिंक. यस, यू कैन से इट्स लाइक हॉट पिंक ओनली विथ अमेजिंग विस्कोस का दुपट्टा. दिस इज अ स्ट्रेट कट बॉटम. बोथ आर, yes, both are really very good. Priced at just 2300, getting a viscose suit premium organza में at the price of just 2300 guys. ये है our hot seller at the price of just 2200. size medium to 3XL. you can see बांधनी लुक में है. पर्पल, one of the most trending colors. straight cut bottom है with amazing dupatta. this is the dupatta. you can see it has full embroidery. size is still 3XL guys. ये खुले हुए थे अभी हमारे पास, खुले हुए थे या तुमने खोला है? अगेन प्रीमियम क्रेप. इसमें एक पर्पल कलर में एक ही पीस बचा है. 38. all of them are completely stitched, not semi stitched guys. all of them are completely stitched. it's in premium crepe. बंदेज में है. you can see, I'm not sure आपको दिख रहा है या नहीं, but पूरे में बंदेज की डिटेलिंग है विथ अमेजिंग बंदेज का दुपट्टा पिंक कलर में. साइजेस मीडियम टू डबल एक्सएल. प्राइसेस 2499 ओनली. बहुत ही सॉफ्ट क्रेप फैब्रिक है विथ हैंडवर्क. स्ट्रेट कट बॉटम, फुल बंदेज लुक में है. And even this one is finally restocked now. Sizes medium to double XL सारे हैं. Our best selling muslin suit with full embroidery, scalloped edge दुपट्टा, sequence work के साथ. If you see, बोलो लाइव में ही है, check live. And this is the bottom. Bottom भी बहुत pretty है guys. And the दुपट्टा so stunning. 2 different color है. Sizes इसमें आएगा small to medium to double XL. I'll show you both the colors. And at a very affordable price of just 2100 guys. You're getting a fully embroidered suit at the price of 2100. Bottom पे भी full work है. It's at a sale price of 2100 only for today. Also, one of our best seller Russian silk suit is on sale for today. Just for 1999. You can see 1999 में you're getting such a heavy suit. इतना हेवी सूट विद बनारसी का दुपट्टा. प्राइस्ड एट 1999. बॉटम स्ट्रेट कट में है. There's this amazing piece. ये भी सेल में है at the price of just 2100. The color is very very different. Kind of a mehendi green, you can say Hina green color. And if you see इसका work, is it so? Then you should actually make a purchase from our live session. And if you see this, so pretty, full handwork के साथ है. फुल कुर्ते पे आप देखोगे it has this work and this contrasting दुपट्टा. Very pretty दुपट्टा and fabric is Roman silk. अंदर lining है. This is the bottom, straight cut bottom है. So I'll not just show it to you likewise. You can see the दुपट्टा. Very stunning. If you see sleeves पे भी अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा work है. Sizes small to double XL है. Priced at 2100 only for today. Last few pieces of this particular item. Sizes small to double XL. Premium crepe में है. Look at the handwork. It's all handwork. I hope you're able to see. आज के लिए ये सेल में है at the price of just 2200. Premium crepe fabric में है. कराची सूट है. Look at the stunning दुपट्टा. Priced at just 2200. Straight cut bottom के साथ. Let me show you some shararas. Guys, if you're located in Delhi NCR, you can get same day delivery and via porter. Now let me show you our best selling sharara sets. जो कि back to back it's getting sold out super duper soon. Short sharara set है. It's not actually short. You can see dual tone premium chinon में है. This is a premium chinon. 3 different colors है and just last few pieces are left. This is the sleeves. Perfect for the festive season. Priced at 3499. Viscose chinon है, which is super duper lightweight and easy to carry. Let me show you the दुपट्टा. आप देख सकते हो दुपट्टा इतना amazing chinon fabric में है. Let me show you the sharara as well. This is the sharara इसका. It's a 3-piece suit. You can see me wearing the. मैंने कुछ टाइम पहले लाइव में पहना था रेड कलर का. इसमें 3 different color है. I'll show it to you. Priced at 3400. We have one in orange red. This is the orange red color. इसमें भी सेम शरारा है. ऑरेंज और रेड दोनों का मिक्स का जैसा कुर्ता है. Priced at 3499. Sizes medium to double XL है. You can see it has this amazing look. And there's one more that is red color. This is the red one. You can see the red color one. Very amazing piece. Red and orange look में. Priced at 3499 only guys. It's in pure chinon fabric. Sizes इसमें small to double XL हैं. 3 different colors है. So many of them already got this piece. It's very nice. Also last few pieces of this sharara set priced at 2999. ये भी pure chinon में है. You can see this is also in pure chinon with amazing handwork. Look at this straight cut sharara है. ये कुर्ते है. कुर्ते की sleeves पे भी है. This is the दुपट्टा. Let me show you the sharara. Sharara बहुत सुंदर है. प्योर चिनॉन में फ्लोरल लुक में है, प्राइस एट 2,999 ओनली. Also this amazing piece in premium. This is again in premium Dola silk fabric. आज के लिए it's at a sale price of just 2,200. Sizes I think we have it till XXL, might be 3XL भी हो सकता है. You can check on WhatsApp. One of the hottest selling lilac color. You can see the work बनारसी में है. And if you see the fabric is shimmery and gives you a shine. Straight cut है. Price at 2,200 only for today. ये दिखा दो अनारकलीज. ये है अनारकली. There's this amazing अनारकली जो हमारे लास्ट लाइफ का बेस्ट सेलर था. We have it in 3 different colors. We can send you the model picture if you want to see how it looks when worn. You can WhatsApp us. And this is the sleeves. Sleeves पे भी work है. बंधेज print में. If you see it has this amazing. And fabric is premium chiffon. Very very lightweight. You can see ये इसका bottom है. This is the bottom. Bottom पे भी lace detailing है. And amazing बंधेज का दुपट्टा. Very stunning अनारकली. You can see. kind of अंगर रखा पैटर्न में. Priced at just 2,999. I'll show you the colors इसका. ये इसके कलर्स है. ये पिंक कलर है. This is the pink color. You can see बंदेज लुक में है. Very very stunning. Priced at just 2,999. A very hot selling अनारकली बंदेज fabric में. You can send us picture on WhatsApp. We'll send you the model picture for this so that you can also have a look of how it's going to look when worn. Very amazing piece. And the price is very reasonable. Priced at just 2,999. बंदेज लुक में है. Priced at just 2,999. Fabric premium chiffon है इसका. इसमें है भी स्टॉक. Last few pieces of our floor length gowns with dupatta. You can see how lengthy it is. Very amazing. Can be fixed as per your height. Full sleeves है. Premium pure chinon का है. So very lightweight, very flary. With chiffon dupatta, full sleeve. It's all padded with handwork. Size you have to check on WhatsApp because very limited pieces are there for this. ये वाला दिखा दो ये. Guys, stay tuned. I'll show you the items which you can get as a free gift on shopping of 7,500 and above. Also, this particular piece is on sale, size small to XXL. Kind of a green color में है and the fabric is chanderi. Just for 1,999 guys. It's just for 1,999 for today. This is the bottom. Sizes सारे हैं इसमें for now and at a sale price of 1,999 only. Also this particular अनारकली सिर्फ और सिर्फ आज के लिए it's at the price of 2,799 guys. Look at the handwork. If you can style it for your friends haldi mehndi, it's going to look very awesome. Full sleeves with pure organza. You can see the flare with an amazing floral dupatta. Dupatte pe bhi you'll see on both the edges it has this embroidery. Sizes small to XXL. Straight cut bottom hai. Amazing anarkali in premium organza. इसमें है अभी. इसमें 2 या 3 pieces ही हैं. Again in bandhej, a very amazing anarkali. Priced at just 2,999 only. We have 2 different colors. Sizes you have to check on WhatsApp. Chinon fabric में है. This is the sleeves. Very amazing flare. All our fabrics are pure. We don't deal in replicas. We just have last few pieces इसमें. ये उसी का दूसरा कलर है. That was teal. This is purple. Amazing anarkali. Sleeves पे भी work है. If you see इसके bottom पे भी work है. Let me show you the bottom. This is the bottom. इस पे भी work है. All the sizes are there for now. Fabric is premium chinon. Also our hot selling anarkali. You can also see our website if you want to see how it looks when worn. Very amazing blue color anarkali with crochet detailing. Priced at 3,100. Website पे full look आप देख सकते हो on www.treadonthego.in with amazing dupatta. Bottom पे भी work है इसका. And there's one more color that is pink. Very amazing flare, very good quality. This is the second color. Priced at only for today, it's for 2,999. Look at the neckline. This is how it looks. Priced at just 2,999 only. Seems like, yes, Shivani, I will save the live. You can check out on YouTube. A lot of sale products were added as well. Also on your request, you guys request, we have just finally launched a 3XL in this piece. Sizes large to 3XL all are available. Look at how heavy the piece is and at a very reasonable price of just 2,400. Leheria ka purple contrasting dupatta hai, one of our best seller pieces, priced at just 2,400 only. Just for 2,400. It's in Russian silk fabric. 3XL tak sare sizes hain. A very stunning bandage suit. You can see how different the pattern is with neckline. Sizes medium to XXL, priced at 2,499 only. If you see यहाँ नीचे भी बिल्कुल tassels लगे हुए हैं with amazing दुपट्टा. Again a contrasting purple colored suit. Sizes small to XXL सारे हैं. Priced at 2,499 only. Very amazing piece, straight cut में है with contrasting dupatta. It's kind of a purple color, purple blue kind of combo है, and the fabric is Vichitra silk. Let me see if I have some more pieces. Our hottest seller, guys, it's going out of stock super duper soon. So आपने नहीं लिया है, so get it now. आज के लिए it's at a very amazing price for today. Fully embroidered piece है guys, and at a very affordable price. ये नहीं है, मतलब वो वाला दे दो. क्या हुआ? सिंगल बोल दो कि ऑल डिस्प्लेड. इसमें कलर्स नहीं है. Yes, I have shown a lot of suits today. This one sizes we have is medium to XXL. Look at the sleeves, Pakistani fit hai. Contrast mein, if you see, this is all authentic Pakistani embroidery. Even the dupatta and the bottom. Look at how heavy the bottom is. आज के लिए it's priced at just 2,799 only. Just for 2,799, guys. There's this amazing Pakistani suit in pastel color, authentic Pakistani suit. Priced at 2,499. 4 कलर्स आए थे, अभी हमारे पास सिर्फ 1 या 2 कलर ही बचा है. Look at this amazing authentic embroidery. Not sure. This is how it looks. Very stunning. Priced at just 3,499. If you see, contrasting sleeves है. अंदर कॉटन की लाइनिंग लगी हुई है. लेट मी शो यू द बॉटम एज वेल. हाँ आ जाओ. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. वेरी अमेजिंग. दिस इज द दुपट्टा. साइजेस कुछ ही हैं, सो यू हैव टू चेक द अवेलेबिलिटी ऑन व्हाट्सएप. देयर वर 2 अदर कलर्स, दोज आर सोल्ड. एक इसमें पिस्ताशियो ग्रीन भी आएगा, पिस्ता ग्रीन. लुक एट द एम्ब्रॉयडरी. प्राइस एट जस्ट 3,499. हो गए ना सोनम? वो वाले दिखा दो, ये वाले. Before I go, I'll show you some options that you can get above 6,500 के purchase पे. You can get this suit absolutely free. बहुत सारे options है. Sorry, 7,500 के purchase पे you can get this suit absolutely free. It's for 2,499. These are just some options. हमारे पास बहुत सारे options है. We are going to add it randomly as per your size. First is this, and then we have this. You can see a lot of amazing 3-piece suits. आपको मिल सकता है absolutely free on shopping of 7,500. And this I don't know if you guys remember or not. ये 2,499 का था, but if you are shopping for 7,500 and above, आपको ये मिल सकता है absolutely free. It's a 3-piece suit and in premium muslin fabric. This is the dupatta. बहुत सारे other options हैं. Okay guys, that's all for today. I'll upload the video on YouTube. कौन से बच गए कुछ? Okay, we have this blue वाला. This is also our best seller, priced at 2400, contrasting दुपट्टे के साथ, priced at 2400. विचित्र सिल्क फैब्रिक है, बॉटम भी है. So I think we are done for today. I'll save and upload the live session on YouTube. See you super soon, guys. Again, please show kaftans. Which one, Sonam? This one, a very amazing kaftan. Last pieces ही बचे हैं. You can grab it. इतना sober and decent. You can see how fine and good quality the stuff is. Crepe में है. If I have not tried a crepe fabric, go for it. Next time you just ask me for crepe if you actually feel the fabric, that how soft it is. There's 1-2 more options of kaftan that you can check out on our website. Thank you, guys. See you again super duper soon. Also for this particular piece we have it till 3XL, so go and shop on WhatsApp.